Welcome to the Ampler Charts tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at data entry and Excel linking. This tutorial covers how to navigate the datasheet and enter data. We'll look at the datasheet functions. And finally, we'll be looking at how to link a chart to an Excel model. All charts have an associated datasheet. The datasheet can be opened in three different ways. 1. Select the chart and hit Edit Data in Excel. 2. Double-click anywhere on the chart area. Or 3. Right-click on the chart area and select Open Datasheet from the context menu. The datasheet is based on Excel and works just as a regular Excel workbook. The datasheet layout varies from different chart types. However, in most cases, the Ampler datasheet is structured in rows representing series and columns representing categories. The data structure remains unchanged despite rotating the chart. You can navigate within the datasheet by using the mouse to jump to a specific cell. You can use the arrow keys on the keyboard as well. Use the tab key to go from one column to another, and the enter key to move to the next row. To change the data in the chart, simply enter the data into the datasheet. You'll see the chart automatically update. Most chart types have years as their default category label. The sequence is automatically continued when you enter data to the following column. Both series and category labels can be overwritten simply by typing a corresponding name into the cell. You can also copy data and paste it into the datasheet, and the chart will automatically update. Finally, you can use both Excel shortcuts and formulas directly in the datasheet. The datasheet has a number of functions that are also available in Excel. These are undo, redo, cut, copy, and paste. In addition, you can insert row, delete row, insert column, and delete column. If your data is structured differently than in the default Ampler datasheet, you can use transpose to switch series and categories. The layout of the chart remains unchanged. Use reverse rows and reverse columns to change the order of the data. Use the percentage function to toggle on percentage formatting of the selected cells. Use clear formatting to remove any formatting from the selected cells. And finally, you can open the Format Cells window for more formatting options. Ampler charts can also get data from an Excel file by establishing a link to the file. This is helpful if you have a scenario where the data could change over time, for instance, for ongoing reporting. To enable linking, the Excel file must be saved, be open, and the data layout must match the data layout in the Ampler charts datasheet. You can always see the data layout of any chart type by opening the datasheet and even copying it to the Excel workbook to have the exact same layout. To link a chart to an Excel workbook, select the chart and hit Establish Excel Link from the Format menu. Navigate to the Excel workbook Select the cells you want to link and hit OK. The chart automatically updates with the new data, and in the top of the chart frame, the link becomes visible. When selecting a chart that is linked to Excel, the left-click menu have additional options. You can select to have the chart automatically update or change it to manual. You can open, edit linked data in Excel. You can modify the link, update the data if manual update is enabled, and finally, you have an option to break the link. If you break the link, the data remains in the chart and the chart is unchanged. However, the chart will not update when changes are made in the Excel workbook. When automatic updates are enabled, all changes in Excel workbook will automatically be pushed to the chart if the presentation is open. All formatting options such as number format, sorting options are still available despite the chart being linked. If you have applied formatting or used conditional formatting in your Excel workbook, you can update this chart segments to represent the formatting from the workbook. Select a series or segment and hit Use Excel Fill Color from the Format menu, and the segments will automatically update. Thank you for watching. Please check out Ampler.io or YouTube for more videos and tutorials.